Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel and the brand new video. Guys, in a recent move that's catching political analysis off guard, Donald Trump has announced he will comply with a Supreme Court ruling involving a deported Salvadoran man. Now, if you have followed Trump's history, especially on immigration and legal matters, you know he doesn't often back down, especially when courts challenges his policies. So why is he now agreeing to follow a Supreme Court order? Is this a legal necessity, a political strategy, or something else entirely? So today we are diving into the full story, the court's decision, who the Salvadoran man is, why this movement matters, and what this says about Trump's game plan moving forward. So let's start with the basics. The Supreme Court recently ruled that a Salvadoran man was potentially deported without a fair legal process and ordered the case to be reconsidered. The deportation happened under Trump's administration, and the court found that the man may not have received proper legal protections. That alone is significant. But what's more surprising is Trump's response. Instead of pushing back, he is publicly stated that he will respect the court's decision and comply with it. For a former president who has consistently clashed with the judiciary, especially over immigration, this raised our eyebrows. Now, this doesn't mean Trump has changed his views on immigration. Far from it. But it could be a sign that his strategy is shifting. He is facing multiple legal cases and with a possible run for office on the horizon. This may be a moment where he is trying to appear more law abiding and more presidential. By choosing to comply, Trump could be aiming to show he is not above the law, especially when the spotlight is already on his legal troubles. It's a move that sends a message: I may not like the court decision, but I will follow it. But is it really that simple? So, some believe it's a calculated political decision. Trump's base supports tough immigration enforcement, but the general public is also paying attention to fairness and due process. By complying with the code, Trump might be trying to walk a fine line, staying tough on immigration while also showing that he respects the rule of law. There is also a timing element here. Immigration is once again dominating headlines, with concerns over the border security, asylum claims, and crime. This also allows Trump to say, look, I'm tough, but I'm not unreasonable. It's a subtle way to reposition himself ahead of upcoming elections without alienating his base. As for the Salvadoran man, the ruling doesn't guarantee he will return, but it does give his case another chance, a chance that was denied under the initial deportation order. Meanwhile, critics argue that Trump's compliance isn't about principle at all, just the optics. They say it's a calculated move to soften his image and gain some legal favor, especially with the number of investigations and charges piling up. So, whether you see it as a strategic or sincere, one thing is clear: this movement reflects a shift in tone. Trump has often painted the courts as politically motivated, but here he is choosing to respect the highest court in the land, at least on the surface. It also reminds us of the delicate balance between executive power and judicial authority. If even Trump, who famously tested the limits of presidential power, is seen following court orders, it may reinforce the importance of checks and balance in the American democracy. So, guys, what's your take on this? Is this a rare moment of legal respect from Trump or a smart political calculation to clean up his image? Drop your thoughts in the comments below, and I would love to hear from you guys. And if you found this video insightful, give it a like, share it with others, and make sure you subscribe to our channel for more deep dives into political events shaping our world today. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, stay sharp, stay informed, and I will see you in the next video.